Symbolic pop.
You hand it
Got
to
it?
Hand it to Eli, he'll take it.
Yes. Whoops. And we got to hand off.
Here.
Here you go, Billy. I need right here on this side. Excuse me. I need someone on this side.
Okay.
This is how I started my career 40 years ago.
And you've got a governor standing there.
Right.
Sure.
Right. Nice.
Good stuff too, huh?
Thanks.
Good supplies. Huh?
God, that's awesome.
That's it. That's the big one. Thank you, fellas.
This is great. Thank you.
Come here, let me take it.
Oh, this is awesome.
Got it?
This is the best. You got it?
Who's
I'll take this in.
Give me a good, strong guy here. It's a great place. I've had a great history with Louisiana. They need a lot of help. What's happened here is incredible. Nobody understands how bad it is. It's really incredible. So I'm just here to help. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's go inside.
This is his fire station.
Cool.
No idea how to do it. Here, we got one. Hey, you're back.
Bye, everybody.
See you later.
Work hard, huh? Thank you.
Got a video.
All right, guys. Back out.
Hey, we're all the media talking. Are we reels up and no, I got one in the car. Thanks. Just riding that bull, huh? Thanks for everything. Yeah.
Hey, Eric, how are you, man? As usual, whenever you make calls. Thank you. Keep us abreast of stuff.
Thank you
for
for
loading
this,
up.
okay?
Thank you.
Nice to see you, sir. That's correct.
Troll! 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 Troll!